Hey friends, thanks to the brand for sending this awesome RevitaSoil product. I have planted my garden a few weeks back with it, and I'm going to do a refresh today. And I want to talk to you about why I love this product and what I think it can do for your garden and your plants. Um, First of all, best times to use this is first of all at planting. Um, it just gives it all the nutrients it needs. It's also really good for like a spring boost after the winter, just to like revitalize the soil. And then also you can do it mid-season, mix it into either the top of the soil or the base, whichever one you want. And then typically after like a hard rain where it washes a lot of nutrients out of the soil, it will help bring back the nutrients there too. There's three things that I think make this stand out against a lot of the other, you know, soils that you can use in your garden or on your plants. The things that I like about this one is it's a triple action formula. So it rebuilds, replenishes, and restores the soil itself for a longer term growth. So a lot of soils are just kind of surface level and are providing nutrients to the plant, but this really revitalizes the soil itself, so it lasts longer. When the soil soaks up the nutrients, it lasts longer than just solely fertilizing the plant. And then also the microbial activity helps roots absorb nutrients better, which makes your plants stronger. And then third, I also love, because I have an elevated garden bed here, and I have a in-ground garden bed back in this corner over here, down there. And this particular soil works in any of those. So it doesn't have to just be in a bed or in the ground or any of that. So I wanted to just show you kind of what it looks like. It's more of a, I'm gonna bring this down here so you can see better in my hand. It's more of a, looks like little rocks with some green pellets mixed in. It's super bright out here, so hopefully you can see that better than I can. And I'm going to show you just kind of how I might revitalize this one plant. This is my pepper plant. Trying to get a good spot for you to see my pepper plant. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up my netting so that I can get to it a little bit better and show you how this might look. So there's my plant. I'm gonna remove the top layer just a little bit. Okay, and you see, yes. I'm gonna take a handful of this stuff and just mix it in. You can see how I'm mixing it in, turning it into the top of the soil. Since I did plant it in this, it's already kind of at the root. And then when it gets watered or rained on, the rainwater will carry the nutrients to the roots to strengthen the soil and the plant. So that's kind of how you do a refresh. You just sprinkle it in and mix it in. And it really, I have had super healthy plants this year so far. So I think this is worth it. And it stands out because with the earthworm castings and stuff, it's really trying to replenish the soil itself in the way that it naturally is designed. So try this out if you want healthy, strong flowers or a vegetable garden, and I don't think you'll be disappointed.